through and see Machu Picchu. Of course, one of the things maybe on some folks' bucket list is to see a pretty heavy snow here over the next 24 hours, and we do anticipate some to pick up on heavy snow. A very tricky forecast with a very sharp cutoff. Some are going to see almost all rain out of this storm system. Others are going to see big, wet, heavy snowflakes flying, especially late tonight and into early Wednesday morning. National Weather Service issuing a winter storm warning there in the pink color. These are the areas we expect the heaviest snow to occur, adding now Jackson, Perry, Franklin, Jefferson, and Hamilton County in southern Illinois in that winter storm warning. Elsewhere, the purple color does include Williamson, Saline, White, Pope, Johnson, Union, Alexander, and Pulaski counties in winter weather advisory. So snowfall amounts and the impacts will drop off pretty rapidly to the south and east. Across southeast Missouri, once again, winter storm warnings, the northwest corner of our viewing area, and then the impacts, we do see that winter weather advisory a little farther to the south in the east. So here we go, the snowfall map. I know everybody wants to know exactly how much snow you're going to see. Very tricky forecast here, 3 to 6 inches, and I'm really thinking that some areas could pick up more like 4 to 6 inches in this blue color, especially say from about Mount Vernon to Perryville, Missouri, back over towards Fredericktown, Missouri, back into the Missouri Ozarks, the St. Francis Mountains. We could actually see some totals that may top 6 inches. This pink color here, this little pink band though, right across southern Illinois and southeast Missouri, that's where the most uncertainty lies with this forecast. We're thinking 1 to 3 inches of snow, again, heavy, wet snow. And then farther to the south and east, you're going to see more and more rain mix in, especially right along and south of the Ohio River. So if you need to get some errands run today, you still get a chance to do so. It's going to be fairly mild this afternoon. We're going to be into the mid to upper 40s. Rain starts tonight, but then quickly changes over to some heavy snow mixing in late this evening through the overnight into Wednesday morning. By Wednesday afternoon, most of the heavier snow, at least wrapping up here in the region. And whatever does fall is not going to be around for very long. By the end of the week, well, we're going to be approaching 50 degrees again. There is a lot of frost out there this morning. Temperatures right now, mid to upper 20s in some locations. Right outside our studio, we're at 31. Carbondale also reporting 31 degrees here to start the day. There's the storm system we're tracking way back into the southern plains still, but it is going to make its way into our region later on today. Here we go, 3 o'clock, temperatures mid to upper 40s. Notice some rain trying to work its way into southeast Missouri. Probably still not seeing any rain quite make it to the ground. Has to fight some dry air. But by 9 o'clock, this is primarily starting as rain across southern Illinois. But look at the temperatures. What happens is the moisture is going to cool the atmosphere. And when that occurs, we're going to see that change over to some snow. So by 9 o'clock, we're starting to see that in southwest Illinois and parts of southeast Missouri. And then that transition continues through the overnight hours. At midnight, some are going to be seeing some very heavy snow. Elsewhere to the south, still rain falling across western Kentucky. Snow rain line not moving a whole lot through the early morning hours on Wednesday. Still some snow across southern Illinois, and by lunchtime it's all out of here. Maybe a couple light flurries or some isolated snow showers still possible through tomorrow evening. But again, biggest impacts are likely going to be in parts of southern Illinois and Missouri. We think the heaviest snow from about 9 o'clock tonight through about 9 a.m. Wednesday. Here you go in the pink color. That's where we expect the biggest travel impacts, where we expect the roads to be snow and slush covered. That red color, probably going to see that as well, but as you move farther and farther to the south and east, the impacts, especially on roads, are going to get less and less. So again, this is a very tricky forecast, very tight line on who sees rain and who sees snow. 33 for a high on Thursday with some flurries. We're back in the 40s on Friday afternoon. And then Saturday, we're near 50 Saturday afternoon. Some rain starts to move in Saturday night into Sunday. Dave, with temperatures that warm and the rain, whatever falls here, next 24, 36 hours is going to be gone by the end of the weekend.
I'm just hearing a mess. All right.